In this video, we're going to show you how you can create and manage regular club activities. So these might be breakfast clubs or after school clubs. So to create such an activity, we choose the Create an Event menu, create a club, and enter the name of the event. Importantly, for repeating events, we move the slider to Yes, and this opens a pop-up where you can select the dates that this event will run through. This, of course, can be done from the start of the school year right through to the end of the school year. Once you set the date range, the actual dates appear in the bottom half of the screen. Weekends are automatically unticked, but of course if you're running a Saturday club, you can just click your Saturdays. And you can untick any weeks or days where the event won't run. So this may be a half-term week or individual inset days. You can set the time. And click Update. This sets the date and start times in this section here. If you need to edit this, just simply click the Edit button and go back and make the appropriate changes. We then set the per session cost. So this is a breakfast club and we're going to be asking parents for a £2 per session contribution. If there's a cost variation based on pupils' free school meal status, we can set this here, and any other descriptive requirements that you need to add for the parents. As usual, on the right hand side we can select particular year groups or classes, but as this is for a breakfast club for the whole school, we can just click all years and all the pupils will be loaded up. Once we're happy with our selections, we can create the event. When you click Create an Event, a daily register is created for every day that the event will run through. On this page, we can see the daily register for the first day of that event. If we need to make any changes, we can click Details and Edit Details and make any changes here to the settings that we've just applied. We return to the dashboard. We can see that the breakfast club is on the dashboard now and it's waiting to be approved, as with any other eeZeeTrip event. We click Approve. We're then able to publish that to the parents. And now when we click on the breakfast club from the dashboard, this will take us to that day's register. The list of pupils can be filtered by year group and their attendance can be marked as usual using the yes/no sliders. This can be done in bulk by selecting all the pupils and choosing the Set Going as appropriate. Taking the register can be speeded up, so if we go to the next day, for example, we can use the Copy Previous Register button and that will copy the attendance that was set for those pupils from the day before. So I'm going to set my all year groups as attending, just so we can see how it looks from the parent's point of view. So from the parent's point of view, in their eeZeeTrip app, they have a Repeating Events tab and they can see any repeating events that their child has attended. We can tap on that and we can make a payment if required. You'll notice that the parents don't have to opt in to this activity. They don't have to say yes, no through their eeZeeTrip account. They just get billed based on the attendance of the pupil at the particular activity. As a parent, I can make the payment, I can add to basket. If I'm in debit, I can choose the amount owed. I can pay for all events up front, or I can pay for a set number of events. So here I'm going to pay for 5 sessions up front. Click add, that adds it to my shopping basket, and I can pay with a card or Apple Pay or Android Pay, as with any other eeZeeTrip payment. The parents get an email receipt to say they've paid, and the payment is logged at the school. So now I can see for my breakfast club, I've got no outstanding payments, and I'm in credit for 4 events. So in school, we can see the payments coming in. If we click from the register, click on the details button, and we can see the attendance of the pupils and any payments that have been made. So here's the pupil we just looked at on the app. I can click on the calendar. I can see that they've attended a particular day and it's marked in green because the parents have paid, and any credits are marked in orange, and for pupils that have outstanding payments, the day is shown in red. If the parents log in through a web browser to their eeZeeTrip account, they can also see this calendar for their particular pupil. So you can see very quickly which sessions they've paid for, or haven't paid for, or are in credit for. If we need to make any changes to the repeating event after it's been published, we can just click Edit Details and make any changes here. But please note, when you make a change, you need to select the dates to which that change will apply. Because obviously this is a repeating event with sessions happening every day over this date range, and we need to know which changes apply to which dates. So that's it for repeating events. Many schools are using this to manage their after-school club and breakfast clubs through eeZeeTrip.